Hello everyone. In previous lecture we discussed about the nucleophilic addition reaction of carbonyl compound. Now we move in second reaction of carbonyl compound, which is the nucleophilic addition elimination of carbonyl compound. If examiner asks you, write the two specific reaction or type or write the two characteristic reaction of carbonyl compound, in which the one is the nucleophilic addition reaction, and nucleophilic addition reaction is carried out with, we know that HCN, second one is the ROH, and third one is the RMGX, and fourth is the NaHSO3, sodium bisulfide. Carbonyl compound show the nucleophilic addition reaction with hydrogen cyanide, alcohol, Gr, and sodium bisulfide. This is the another type of reaction which is also the nucleophilic addition reaction, but the step is increased by the elimination. इसके अंदर जो एक स्टेप है वो क्या होगा, elimination का होगा. क्लियर? Carbonyl compound show the nucleophilic addition elimination reaction with NH3 and the derivative of NH3 and the derivative of NH3. Carbonyl compound show the nucleophilic addition elimination reaction with NH3 and derivative of NH3. Here we talking about the derivative of different NH3 with carbonyl compound gives the nucleophilic addition elimination reaction. First you separate the reagent in which the the carbonyl compound show the nucleophilic addition reaction with HCN and sodium bisulfide, RMGX and Gr. Clear? And this is the nucleophilic addition reaction. Carbonyl compound show the nucleophilic addition reaction with ammonia and derivative of ammonia. What first we find out why the name is the nucleophilic addition elimination. Suppose it is the carbonyl compound and react with the derivative of ammonia, it is suppose Z. This is the nucleophile, but we know that it is the poor nucleophile, and this lone pair of electron attack on that carbon atom and increase the electron density transfer to this oxygen atom. This is the reversible step and it gives the carbon double bond NH and Z. This is the nucleophilic addition. In this reaction, this nucleophile add on this carbonyl carbon, so we can say it is the nucleophilic addition reaction. Clear? This carbon atom electron transfer to this oxygen atom and it gives oxygen minus, NH2 plus and Z. After the proton transfer, fast H plus transfer. After the fast H plus transfer, it convert into OH and it is NHZ. Clear? And on dehydration, it gives the OH and it gives the H and finally it converted into the NZ. This is the elimination step. This is the elimination step. Now, this is the total name of this mechanism is the nucleophilic addition reaction. During the writing of reaction, जब आप reaction लिख रहे हो, no need of this mechanism, directly you form this compound by using the nucleophilic addition elimination reaction. Clear? आपको ये पूरा mechanism लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, directly आपको क्या लिखना है, ये product लिखना है. This is the H2 and this is oxygen liberate from the reaction mixture. So the first step of the weak nucleophile is the nucleophilic addition, and the final on elimination it gives the this product. Clear? Carbon double bond and Z, and this is known as the nucleophilic addition elimination reaction. इसके फर्स्ट स्टेप के अंदर न्यूक्लियोफाइल का एडिशन हो रहा है और अब यहाँ पे प्रोटॉन ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा. आफ्टर द प्रोटॉन ट्रांसफर इसका क्या होगा, यहाँ से OH और H, डिहाइड्रेशन स्टेप, डिहाइड्रेशन स्टेप. क्लियर, जिससे आपके पास क्या होगा, फाइनली ये प्रोडक्ट बनेगा जिसको अपन वन स्टेप के अंदर भी यहाँ पे बता सकते हैं। C डबल बॉन्ड O प्लस NH2Z and this H2O is liberate. This is the nucleophile. In the first step we seen the nucleophile attack on the carbonyl carbon, which is the nucleophilic addition reaction. After the dehydration it gives the C डबल बॉन्ड N और ये Z। क्लियर, दिस इज द, आपको मैकेनिज्म नहीं लिखनी, डायरेक्टली यू फॉर्म द प्रोडक्ट। क्लियर, एंड वी don't know about the derivative of NH3, so let's see what is the derivative of NH3 and different types of the compound. First is the RNH2. First is the RNH2. It is called the alkanamine. Clear. Second is the NH2. NH2. It is the hydrazine. And third is the hydroxyl amine. Hydroxyl amine. And fourth is the NH2 NH, or this is C6H5. It is known as the phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine. Clear. If one H of NH3 replaced by the R, then it called the alkanamine, and the H of NH3 replaced by NH2, this is called the hydrazine. It is the hydroxyl amine. It is the phenyl hydrazine, and other one is the NH2NH. This is NO2 and this is NO2. It is the 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine, and it is also known as the DNP or Brady reagent. Clear. This is the specific reagent. It is the specific reagent for identification of carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound may be aldehyde and ketone. When react with DNP, it is give the orange red color. Suppose examiner said that give the name of the specific reagent by which we can identify the carbonyl compound, then you write the name of the dinitrophenyl hydrazine, 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. It is a specific reagent for the identification of the carbonyl compound. When carbonyl compound react with DNP, then it gives the orange red color. Clear. And last one is the NH2 NH C double bond O NH2. It is the semi-carbazide. It is the semi-carbazide. Clear. All of these are the derivative of ammonia. Clear. And we know that carbonyl compound react with ammonia, or the derivative of ammonia gives the nucleophilic addition elimination reaction. So we form product with the carbonyl compound and the other specific reagent, or we can say all of these are the derivative of the ammonia. Clear. आपको क्या लिखना है इनके सब के साथ, कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड की रिएक्शन लिखनी है। रिएक्शन लिखने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सिर्फ इस H2 को यहाँ से क्या करना है, रिप्लेस करना है, फॉर्मिंग कंपाउंड का नेम लिखना है। एंड मेमोराइज दिस reagent. This is the dinitrophenyl hydrazine, also known as the Brady reagent, and it is also known only the DNP. Clear. It is specific for the identification of the carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound when react with DNP give the orange red. It means it may be aldehyde and may be ketone. Clear. First is the, suppose it is the C double bond O, it may be aldehyde or ketone. We know that both aldehyde and ketone react with the derivative of the ammonia, and it is the NH2R. Then it gives the this oxygen and this H2 minus H2O and form the C double bond and HR. It is also known as the enals. It is also known the imine. and imine carbon double bond nitrogen is also known as the imine, which is called the ship base. Clear? And when C double bond O react with NH2OH, it is the hydroxyl amine, then it gives the C double bond and OH, it is called the oxime. It is called the oxime. Clear? Next, it is the hydroxyl amine. Clear? And carbonyl compound react with hydrazine, this is called the hydrazine, and this H2O liberate from the reaction mixture and it gives the C double bond and NH2, it is the hydrazone. Clear? When carbonyl compound react with NH2 NH and this is the phenyl ring, it is the phenyl hydrazine. It is the phenyl hydrazine. It gives the C double bond and NH, phenyl hydrazone. And next is the DNP. C double bond O plus NH2 NH and it is the DNP reagent NO2 and NO2, it is the DNP reagent, it gives the C double bond and NH, this is NO2 and it is also the NO2. It is known as the 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone and this is the orange red. किस कलर का होता है ये? Orange red. This is the specific chemical test of carbonyl compound. And last one reagent is the C double bond O with NH2 NH and C double bond O NH2. Then what happened? It is the semi-carbazide. And compound form of the semi-carbazone. It is the C double bond and NH, C double bond O, and this is the NH2 and it is called the semi-carbazone. Clear? This is the nucleophilic addition elimination reaction of the carbonyl compound. You clearly differentiate both the reagent of the nucleophilic addition and the nucleophilic addition elimination reaction. Only ammonia and the derivative of ammonia show the nucleophilic addition elimination with carbonyl compound, while the alcohol, sodium bisulfite and RMGX and GR and alcohol show the nucleophilic addition reaction. Next, we solve some example of question. Suppose examiner give us to C double bond OH plus NH2, C double bond O, NH and NH2. Clear? This is the semi-carbazone. Clear? Then what happened in this reaction? We clearly know that about it. The water molecule is liberated, but you think about that the lone pair of this nitrogen atom are involved in the resonance. It means lone pair of this NH2 are not available. Lone pair of nitrogen are not available. Why? Because the lone pair of nitrogen atom are involved in the resonance with C double bond O. जैसे मान लीजिए ये रिएक्शन आपको एग्जाम के अंदर दी हुई है और आप ये सोचो, देखो इसके अंदर क्या है, A, B एंड C, 3 टाइप के नाइट्रोजन एटम है इसके अंदर, जिसमें से ए एंड बी के लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन तो किसके साथ इन्वॉल्व है, कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड ओ के साथ इन्वॉल्व है रेजोनेंस के अंदर। इट मीन्स वी नो दैट the lone pair of nitrogen atom A and nitrogen atom B are not available because both lone pair of electron are involved in the C double bond O. It means only the lone pair of nitrogen atom of C are available. So we can say the carbonyl compound react with this C nitrogen atom. Is that clear? इन दो जैसे मान लो एग्जामिनर ने आपको बिल्कुल सेट करके दिया है कि सी डबल बॉन्ड और रिएक्शन कराओ, अपन देखेंगे कि ये H2O यहाँ से बाहर निकल जाएगा और ये बना CH3H C डबल बॉन्ड N और ये C डबल बॉन्ड NH और ये NH2, बट दिस प्रोडक्ट इज रॉन्ग। वाई? बिकॉज नाइट्रोजन एटम ऑफ A the lone pair of nitrogen atom are not available because they are involved in the resonance. Only the nitrogen atom of C are available. It means the reaction of carbonyl compound with C nitrogen atom. This is not the correct product of this reaction. What is the correct product of this reaction? It is the C double bond N NH C double bond O NH2. Differentiate both the product. It is attached from the A B C and it is attached from C B A. This nitrogen atom not react, this nitrogen atom also not react with a carbon atom. It react only the C nitrogen atom. I think you clearly seen the difference of all of three nitrogen atom. आपको बस ध्यान ये रखना है कि इसके अंदर जो C डबल बॉन्ड के पास वाले जो नाइट्रोजन एटम है वो इसके साथ रिएक्शन नहीं करने वाले हैं। इज दैट क्लियर? दिस इज द nucleophilic addition reaction and the nucleophilic addition elimination reaction of carbonyl compound. Next we discuss the reduction of carbonyl compound. Reduction of carbonyl compound. Reduction of carbonyl compound is two type when C double bond O reduced into CHOH. Clear? And C double bond O reduced into hydrocarbon. C double bond O reduced into hydrocarbon. Is that clear? The reagent is sodium borohydride, lithium aluminum hydride, nickel PD H2, sodium plus ethanol and sodium amalgam. Carbonyl compound reduce into alcohol and hydrocarbon. कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड का रिडक्शन टू कंपाउंड्स के अंदर होता है, एक तो किसके अंदर होता है, अल्कोहल के अंदर, एंड अदर इज द इन हाइड्रोकार्बन. First you learn about the reagent. This is the reagent: sodium borohydride, lithium aluminum hydride, nickel PDH2, sodium plus ethanol and sodium plus amalgam. Clear? Sodium amalgam. And what is the reagent which convert the carbonyl compound into hydrocarbon, which is the Clemmensen reduction. This is the specific name reaction and it is very important. Also the Wolff-Kishner reduction, it is also the important, and the universal reagent or for the reduction, which is the red phosphorus plus HI. The reagent of Clemmensen reduction is the ZnHgHCl and the reagent of the Wolff-Kishner reduction is the hydrazine and KOH, and this is the red phosphorus and HI. अभी तक अपन ने कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड की टू रिएक्शंस की स्टडी की है, इन विच वन इज द न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन, अदर इज द न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन विद द अमोनिया एंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ द अमोनिया. And next is the reduction of the carbonyl compound. The way by which we can convert the carbonyl compound into alcohol and hydrocarbon, and you very well memorize the reagent which convert the carbonyl compound into alcohol and reagent which convert the carbonyl compound into hydrocarbon. Let's we first consider the conversion of carbonyl compound into alcohol by using different type of reagent. Suppose we have different types of example. It is the CH3 C double bond OH, and other is the CH3 C double bond O CH3, and other is the cyclohexanone, and other is the benzaldehyde. Clear? And other is the CH3 C double bond O CH2 and CH3. Suppose examiner give us to sodium borahydride and lithium aluminum hydride, and it is the sodium plus ethanol, and suppose it is given by the nickel, maybe palladium, maybe Pt plus H2, and suppose here again gives the sodium borahydride. Clear? For the reduction of carbonyl compound, we require the two hydrogen atom. One hydrogen atom attached with this carbon and one hydrogen atom attached with the oxygen atom. So we can say the addition of hydrogen is the 1-2 addition. Addition of hydrogen is the 1-2 addition. It means we required in all types of example only the two hydrogen, one hydrogen atom attached carbon atom and other is the oxygen atom. Both are the double bond added. The one bond is break between the carbon and oxygen atom. It means one valency free of this carbon atom and the other one valency of oxygen atom free, which is joined or which is satisfied with the hydrogen atom. So you add only the hydrogen atom, add the C and O, add this C and this O, add this, it is the C double bond H, one hydrogen atom and one hydrogen atom. In this case, one hydrogen atom and this one hydrogen atom. It means we require only the two hydrogen atom for the reduction of carbonyl compound into alcohol. In first case, it is give the CH3CH2OH, and we know that it is the aldehyde, and we also know that by the reduction of the aldehyde we get only the 1 degree alcohol. Clear? This alcohol attached on those carbon atom which is the 1 degree. It is the 1 degree carbon atom because it attaches only one methyl group. And this is the ketone, and we know that by the reduction of ketone we get 2 degree alcohol, then it convert into the CH3, CH, OH and CH3. Clear? Next, it is the cyclohexanone. It means it is the ketone, and also you get the 2 degree alcohol. One hydrogen at this carbon atom, one hydrogen at oxygen atom, then it gives the cyclohexanol. Cyclohexanol, it is the 2 degree alcohol because this attached this carbon atom, it is attached with 2 carbon atoms, so it is the 2 degree. It is the benzaldehyde. It is the benzaldehyde. Clear? And it convert into benzyl alcohol. It convert into benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. And this is the sodium borahydride which reduce this C double bond O into alcohol. This is converted into CH3, CH, OH and CH3. All of these reagents, sodium borahydride, lithium aluminum hydride, sodium plus ethanol and nickel H2 or palladium H2 or PtH2 and sodium amalgam also convert the carbonyl compound into CHOH. So it is the first type reduction in which the C double bond O convert into CHOH. Clear? ये आपने फर्स्ट टाइप का रिडक्शन पढ़ा है और नेक्स्ट लेक्चर के अंदर वी डिस्कस अबाउट द कन्वर्जन ऑफ द कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड इनटू द हाइड्रोकार्बन और वी कैन से द रिडक्शन ऑफ द कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड इनटू हाइड्रोकार्बन. थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे.